Let us discuss about plastics. You have this topic already in the notes. Now just see here, plastic is an organic substance which can be molded in different shapes by heating or by using some pressure. So generally you see plastic can be molded by heating. Plastics are of two types. They are thermoplastics and thermosets. Now just see here, this question will come in examination. Very important question about plastics, thermoplastics and thermosets. Generally students, what they will do is they will write the points of thermosets in thermoplastics and thermoplastic points in thermosets. Just you see the difference. Thermosets, set means once it is set you cannot change. Once, just like if you use some cream on the hair, on your hair, to set them, they will not change. So once they are set up, you cannot change them. So just see here, thermoplastics soften on heating and regain their original properties after cooling. But here they do not soften on heating. They do not regain their original properties on cooling. So just see the difference. Now here, addition and condensation polymerization reaction is responsible for thermoplastics, and for thermosets only condensation polymerization. Now here, linear and branched chains are present in thermoplastic. That is, in thermoplastics, linear means straight chain. Branched chain, branched chain means they contain some branches. Here cross-linked means they contain DNA like structures. DNA, you see the structure of DNA, they are cross-linked. Now example is PVC and Bakelite. So you have to study these two examples. Preparation of PVC. Already I have discussed this preparation of polyvinyl chloride in the example of polymers and addition polymerization reaction. And Bakelite, already I have sent this video how to prepare the Bakelite. Thank you. If any doubt, you can ask me.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.